Alright guys, today we are going to review on Oppo's new phone Oppo Reno 8 Pro. That is actually a 5G phone. So guys, let's talk about this Oppo Reno 8 Pro. In the next video we will talk about Oppo Reno 8 maybe. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's begin to our video. Okay, its announced date is 23rd May 2022. Its release date is 11th June 2022, and its body dimensions is 161 into 74.2 into 7.6 mm. Its weight is 188 gram, and you will find display type AMOLED display. And one thing, its refresh rate is 120 Hz, and display size is 6.62 inches. Display resolution you will get 1080 into 2400 pixels, and display protection you will get here Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Operating system is Android 12. Processor you will get Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 1, which is better processor, and its internal storage is 128 GB and 256 GB. Here you will get 2 GB in internal storage. And RAM, its RAM is 8 GB and 12 GB. Here you will also find 2 variant in RAM. And front camera you will find 32 megapixel, and its video recording is up to 1080p in 30 fps. Back camera you will find 50 megapixel wide and 8 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel macro, and you can shoot video up to 4K in 30 fps. And battery capacity is 4500 mAh, and charging you will get 80 watts fast charging. Here you will get a small battery, but you can consider it. And its colors are 3 variant: black, blue and gold. And at last we will talk about the price in Bangladesh. In Bangladesh it is not launched yet, so the price is expected under 45,000 taka. It is not sure, so we are not surely give you this information. This price is 45,000 taka. So guys, when it will come we will must tell you in the video. So must subscribe this channel and also click the bell icon. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye.